So, what question we have?
The observation has been
Question number
18.
question number 18.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes. What is that?
Observation in the ranging order.
Huh?
The observation is in a ranging order.
Observations. Observations.
Have been arranged in ascending order.
Observations in
Ascending order.
ascending order.
If the median of the data
Ascending means smaller to greater. Hmm?
Sir,
Now,
the median of the data is 47.5.
median. Median of data is
47.5.
47.5. Right?
Find the value of x. 70
Find value of
x.
find value of x. Value of
X.
x. Okay. So what is the data given to you?
17.
That is 17,
21.
21,
23.
23,
29.
29,
39.
39,
40.
40,
Yes, sir. X.
x,
50.
50,
51.
51,
54.
54,
59.
59,
67.
67,
91.
91,
93.
93. Right. This is the data given to you. Right. So, how you will solve this? We will solve it like this. Oh, we move this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So 14. So n is equal to 14. So it is sure. It is even number. Right? And even number. So median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. Right? So there are 14. So the median is 47. 47.5 into 2 is equal to, here we write 14. Here is also 14. So it is 7. It is 7. So this is 7th observation plus 8th observation. 8th observation upon, oh no, upon. So it is 2 times 5 becomes 10, 0, 1, 2 times 7 becomes 14, 1, 15. We get 1. 2 times 4 becomes 8, 1, 9. 95 is equal to, what is seventh observation? X plus eighth observation is 50, right? So what you can write? 95 minus 50 is equal to X. So we can write X is equal to 45. Is it? So this is, we get value of X. Value of X is
45.
45. What is your answer?
45.
X is equal to 45, right? This is, we have question number 18. Now what next? Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what next? We have,
17.
what is question number 17 we have?
The points scored by Kabaddi team.
Points,
Scored by Kabaddi team.
points scored. What are points?
In the series of points are 7,
7,
17,
17,
2,
2,
5,
5,
27,
27,
15,
15,
8,
8,
14,
14,
10,
10,
48,
48, huh?
48.
48,
Yes, sir.
huh?
10,
10,
7,
7,
24,
24,
8,
8,
28,
28,
18.
18.
Yes, sir.
We get this in these numbers.
Yes, sir.
So if we arrange them in an order, so make array. Make array. Right? So how we make array? Smallest one is 2. So we write here 2. Then we have 5. We take 5. Then we have 7. We take 7. We take one more 7. Right? After that we have 8. We put here 8. After that, oh, one more 8. 8. Then we have 10. Okay. After 10 we have, oh, one more 10. Then we have 14. Then we have 17. Then we have 18. 17, 18. We have one more 18. One more 18. Right? After that, what do you have? 24. Right?
Yes, sir.
We got 24. Then we got 27. 27. Then we have 28. Right? And we got 48. Right? This is. So how many numbers these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? Similarly, we go here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Right? Is it correct? So 16 we make an array. Now what do you do? What do you have to do in this?
Find the mean and the median of the point scored by the probability
Mean.
and median.
These are 16. N is equal to 16. Right? N is equal to 16. So N is equal to, it is even number. So median is equal to n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Right? So it becomes how much? It is 16. So we write here 16. Here is 16. So it is 2 times becomes 8. It is 8 times 2 becomes 16. So it is 8th observation plus 9th observation divided by 2. So what is 8? 10. 10 plus 14. 8 and 9. 14 divided by 2. So median is median is 24 by 2 becomes 12. Right? We get 12. So median is 12. Now sum of observations, sum of mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. Right? So sum of this is 2 plus 5 7. 7 times 3 becomes 7. 3 times 7 becomes 21. 21 and 16. How much? 21 and 16. 21 plus 16. It's 37. Right? 37 plus 20. 57. 57. Up to here we got 57. Right? Now it is 36. And this is 31. Right? So 57, this is, we got 67. 67, 124. Up to here we get 124. Right? Here is sum up to 124. Now 124, it becomes 51. And this is 51, 79. These three are 79, 48. $127 we add here, we get how much? $251, right? So we get here 251 upon 16. Oh, will it be possible? Right? So, is it correct? Yeah, you are not doing anything. You are not doing adding. Oh, I did wrong now. 9 plus 20. No. How do you get 27? 127. No. 9 plus 8 becomes 17. We get 1 here. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 8 becomes 17. 251. Right. So, what is your answer by the way? It is non-terminating number.
Sir, mean is 15.5 points. Mean is 15.5 points and median is equal to 12 points.
Median is 12.
Yes, sir. Mean is 15.5.
Mean, let me check. 251 divided by 16. 15.5. It is coming 15.6875.
15.4.
But mine is coming 15.6875. So something we have done wrong. Okay, 7 into 3 becomes 21 plus 16 plus 20, 57. It's 31 plus 31 and 36 plus 36, 124. That is correct. Now plus 51 plus 76. 251 it is coming. It is correct. So this is our mean. Our mean as per given data is this, right? Maybe there is some. If we round off it, if we do round off, it will be 15.7, right? So we have a error of plus minus 0.2. It can be. Anyway, next, should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is next question?
In a science test given to a group of students, the marks scored by them out of 100.
What is question number
16.
16? Question number 16. Yeah, what is that?
In a science test,
Science test.
given to a group of students,
Science test, yes.
given to the group of students, the marks scored by them out of 100,
Science test marks are,
out of 100,
that leave it. Tell me the marks.
41,
We have 41,
30,
30,
oh, sorry, 39, sorry,
39,
52,
52,
48,
48,
54,
54,
62,
62,
46,
46,
52,
52,
40,
40,
96,
96,
42,
42,
40,
40,
98,
98,
60,
60,
52.
52. Oh God. This is. So, first we have to make array. Make array. So, how we do? Which number is the smallest we have? We have in this group, smallest number is 39. What I find? 39. After 39 we have 40. 40 we have two times. 40 and 40. Right? Then we have 41. Then we have 42. Right? Then we have 42, 42, 42. After that, 42 you get 48. We get 48. Oh, sorry. Before that we get 46. 46. We get 48. Okay. Now we have how much? Now we have 52. We have 52 twice. 52, 52. We have 54. We have 54 here. Oh, 52. 52, 52 twice, na? 52, 52 twice. So, we have 54. After that, what do you have?
98, 96.
No, you have 60, man. 60. You have 62. Then you have 96 and 98. Right? How many numbers these are? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One we missed. 96. First we cancel. 96 is here. 98 is here. Oh, 52 is 3 times. 52 is 3 times. We have taken only 2 times. So we write here 52. When we write here 52, then the whole numbering goes change. So it becomes 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th. Right. Now we have n is equal to 15, which is odd. So median is equal to n plus 1 by tooth observation, right? So how much it is? 15 plus 1 by tooth observation. It becomes 8 times. 15 plus 1 becomes 16 and 8 times 2 becomes 16. So we get 8th observation. So 8th observation, and that is equal to 52. So 52. So median is 52. What else? What we have to find?
So find the mean and median of this data.
Mean also we have to find. Oh my god. Again, mean is equal to sum of observation. Mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observations. Observations, right? So sum of observation is what? This time we use calculator, right? So data is quite big. 39 plus 18 plus 41 plus 42 plus 46 plus 48. 3 times कितना हुआ? 156. 52.
104.
But
52 plus 52, 5.
3 times there, na?
Yeah.
156. 156 plus 114. 114 plus 62.
68.
अबे 62. 62 ना? 62 plus 96 अगर हम कर देंगे तो 158. 158 plus
98.
98. it becomes 822. So it is 822 divided by 15, right? So mean is equal to how much? Divided by 15, 54.8. It is 54.8. So this is mean we have. What is your answer?
Mean 54.8. Median 52.
So we get that. So we get this?
Yes.
Okay. This was 16. Should I run?
Yes.
Now come to 14. 15 you do by your own. Come to 14. Question number
15.
14.
14.
Question number 14. What is that?
Calculate the mean and median of the numbers.
Mean,
And median of the numbers.
mean and median. Okay.
Numbers are
Hmm.
2,
Numbers are 2,
3,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
3,
3,
0,
0,
5,
5,
1,
1,
1,
1,
3,
3,
2.
2. This is
Yes, sir.
okay. So we'll make an array. Make array. So 0, we get 1, we get 1, 0, 1, 1. Then we have 2, we have 2, we have 2. Then we have 3 times 3, right? 3, 3, 3. We have
4.
4 and we have 5. Is it? How many they are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is okay. Right. So now we have number of observations. N is equal to 10, which is even. So median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2, right? So that is equal to how much? Is equal to 10. It is 10. So it is 5. It is 5. So this is 5th observation and 6th observation, right? So median is equal to median is equal to fifth observation plus sixth observation upon 2. So which one is fifth? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 becomes 2. It is 5 by 2. So median is 2.5. Right? Now what is mean? So mean x bar is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. So what is sum of observation? Two. This is 2. 2 to 4, 6, 12, 15, 20, 24. It's 24. This is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is 4.
24 is
So it becomes 6. 6 and plus 9 becomes 15. 15 plus 5 becomes 20. Plus 4 becomes 24. So we get x bar is equal to 24 upon 10. It becomes 2.4. So this is mean is equal to 2.4. Get it? This was question number 14.
14.
You done this?
Okay.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay.